Well, I was looking at this 630 and checking it over while I did that video, did those videos about the touch and sew bobbins, and this machine has all new style gears in it. So the original gears that would have been put in this machine would have been square, probably black bobbin or square black gears. Those are the ones that are rotted out on all of these touch and sews that everybody complains about, the plastic gears in them. And these are the new style gears with the helical cut on them, and this is the style of gear that appeared in the later self-winding bobbin systems and later Singer machines, because they're quieter than the square cut gears. So this machine, the gears went out of it at some point and it got brand new gears. So I think that unlike a lot of the 630 touch and sews, since this one has fresh gears, it has a good chance to last a nice long time. Unfortunately, the amount of work in these two, those two, and then the top two in the top of the machine getting replaced these days, they're harder to find, and it's a lot of work to tear the machine apart for that.